We're here at the Scrutineer night for the 23 Finke Desert Race. So far, all our prep for Finke this year has been pretty trouble-free. We've had a great run. All our rental customers got in early in the week, and we've done a full run from here to Finke and back on Tuesday. Everyone loved their bikes. I'm having a race myself. I love my bike, and we're looking forward to the race.
We've got Prologue starting right now here at the start-finish line. As our next competitor does get out there, another man to watch, Grabbo, the number 9. He is going to be on song, and he's looking quick this weekend on this new KTM.
Here's some action of me rocking up at our fuel stop. Our fuel stop's roughly at the halfway point on the Finke track. As you can see, it all happens pretty quick. I roll in, we've got 3 guys there. One basically catches the bike, one fuels it up with the fast fueler, and the other one's there basically to hand me goggles or gels. Generally all going to plan, only take a gel. By the time I squeeze that in my mouth, it's time to jump back on the bike and pin it down the track.
Yeah, boy. Wait, get that wipey goggles with that if you want new goggles there.
Hey,
How you going, lad?
yeah, good, and
How
you?
you going? No, you're doing well. You're in top 20.
Grabham is the man. He is a king of the desert. He was the reigning, he was everything, and he brought KTM to the desert when the KTMs came through, and they have dominated for a long time since.
doesn't seem to be a thing with the bikes, but again, when you're pushing them this hard, they're gods, desert gods that walk among us.
Well done, buddy. Any issues we need to deal with?
Only me. It's tough. That's seriously tough. Whoa. There's some quick riders out here.
Good job.
Good job. Thank you, Billy. Thank you.
Oh, it was beautiful, mate.
Got you here in one piece.
Yeah. Unbelievable. Good run.
How you feeling?
Yeah, no. Good.
Yep.
Like I done Finke, mate.
Yeah, here after the day one at Finke Desert Race. How'd you go?
Yeah, we just finished day one, racing from Alice to Finke, and I had a good run. Like, I'm here in one piece. The hands were a little bit tender, but nothing crazy. Bike was amazing, KTM 500. Couldn't fold it. Had a ball. First time on the Maxxis tyres, and they held together great. And it was a tough track. Like, we've had a lot of rain in the lead up, and it turned into a pretty challenging conditions. But no, we're still mixing it there with some of the young ones, and we're not that far off the front on time. So looking forward to it tomorrow.
Pulled you out straight off the bike after your first run down at Finke, first time ever here. Just give us your first, what's the first word that comes to your head? What are your thoughts?
Just rough as guts. It was just full on the whole way, no rest. Just trying to keep winding it on, and it just, yeah, the track just wants to beat you to death. It was cool, yeah, it was good fun.
So a good physical challenge for you?
That was probably the hardest race I've ever done. Like, day one,
Yep.
Yeah, hardest thing I've done so far, for sure, for sure.
That's still got Ben Grabham on it. You know, he's only a little bit down the pack, stoning behind these guys, and he had a really good ride yesterday.